Right then, let's have a look at today's little job. So that over there is an old Victorian toilet. Try to figure out what to do with it. Probably a chicken coop. So Victorian poop house to chicken coop. Well, obviously loads of crap around here that I need to sort out. Got all this, all needs repointing. It's all crumbling away. Ivy needs to come off. Need to rake all these joints out. Repoint them with some lime. Any holes in here need to sort out and fix up. Used to be, looks like this may have been a window at some point. So not sure what to do with it, whether to just point it back up or make it another window for access for some reason or another. Yeah, coming back down inside, currently just using it as a bit of log storage. Do all that out of the way. Try and get in here. So this would have been a toilet or something 150 years ago. Some nice ceramic tiled brick. And then up on ceiling, some big old York stone slabs. So one of the jobs in here is to clear it all out and probably look at taking this middle wall out. I mean, if we just look up here, it's not, stone's not resting on anything. It's all loose, is all that. So if I do take it out, I just need to make sure that I've got some acro props in here because I don't want those slabs falling on my head. And then, I don't know if we can see in there, but that goes all the way back. I'll just take you off. Stick you through the hole. In here, loads of just build up of crap over the years. Probably may need to cap off some pipes. There's still some old sewage lines in there as well. And these bars that are up here, if it is going to be a chicken coop, these bars will be good little roosting bars, so I might as well just leave those in there. But could be garden storage, tool storage, lawnmower, whatever. But I am leaning towards the idea of having this as a chicken coop. I guess see if anyone's had an experience doing any of this before. Good to hit other people's feedback and stuff. And yeah, old asbestos flue that I need to get rid of. And yeah, that's it. Project that I have to get on with sooner rather than later.